In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a PowerPoint file through Gmail. Whether you're sharing a presentation with a colleague or submitting an assignment electronically, learning how to efficiently send a PowerPoint file by email can make your life so much easier. We're going to break down these steps into a simple process that you can follow along with, ensuring you're able to confidently send files in no time. To get started, you'll want to have your PowerPoint file saved and ready on your computer. It's a good idea to double-check that everything in your presentation is finalized before you send it. Once you're sure it's good to go, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your login details to access your account. Once inside your Gmail inbox, look for the Compose button, usually located on the left side of your interface. Click this button to start drafting a new email. With your new message window open, enter the recipient's email address in the To field. If you're sending it to multiple people, you can add several email addresses here, separated by commas. Next, consider writing a brief subject line that reflects the content you're sending. Something like presentation for meeting or project slides attached can be both informative and concise. Now, it's a good idea to add a brief message in the body of your email. This could be a summary of your presentation or instructions for the recipient. Next, locate and click on the paperclip icon, usually found at the bottom of the Compose window. This icon allows you to attach files to your email. When you click on it, a file browser window will pop up. Navigate through your folders until you find your PowerPoint file. Once you locate it, select the file by double-clicking or clicking Open, and watch as it attaches to your email. Gmail will show you the progress of the upload, and once it's fully attached, you'll see the file name appear at the bottom of the email. Before hitting that Send button, take a moment to review your email. Check if all the necessary information is included and that the right file is attached. It's always worth a quick glance to make sure everything's in order. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click Send. Your email, complete with the PowerPoint file attachment, is now on its way to the recipient. By following these steps, you've ensured that your PowerPoint file is sent swiftly and securely through Gmail. Whether it's for work or school, this skill will certainly come in handy in many situations. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to check out my channel for more tips and tutorials.